Hello! This is a super quick video just to show you a different way to do your nails if you have time, or there is a quicker way as well if you don't have time to do this. But a little while ago I posted a picture on my Instagram of my spotty nails and there were a few comments to say that some of you liked what I'd done to my nails, so I've got a really quick video just to show you what I did, and then at the end a simpler way to use spots on your nails. So this is what I'm going to show you. All I use is nail varnish and some cotton buds. So let's get started. Right, I told you it was going to be a fast video. If you have a go at your own spotty nails, make sure you send me pictures of something, because this is the colour combination I generally do, but it'd be really cool to see you do some other kinds, like if you just do loads of different shades of blue because that's your favourite colour, whatever. I'd like to see some of your spotty nails. Thank you for watching, bye bye.